3 levels of a chicken sandwich. Level 1, gas station sandwich. Industrial bread, cheap ass cheese, deli-sliced chicken. It definitely met my low expectations. This is my level 1 sandwich.
I don't like it.
Level 2, homemade sandwich. Toasted cedar bread, some mayo, hot and spicy mustard. Hey, we're gonna give it some flavor. Provolone, now we're putting some real ingredients on here. Store-bought rotisserie chicken. A little bit better.
But not the best.
Level 3, Detroit 75 style sandwich. 4-hour smoked chicken breasts. Homemade seeded bun, toasted to perfection. Cilantro, garlic, jalapeño, aioli. You can put it on the bottom of your shoe and you will eat your shoe. That's how good this sauce is. Shredded lettuce, freshly sliced tomatoes, homemade sweet pickled jalapeños. Guaranteed to knock you on your ass.
This one is good.
Yeah.